Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix one corrupted or unreadable flash drive, pen drive, SD card using command prompt in Windows. Let me show you the current status of the flash drive while it's connecting. This is our flash drive. When you try to open this one, it will show you this error code. When you try to format it, it's giving capacity is not showing here, the memory is not showing here. That means that flash drive is physically fine, but the memory is not detecting properly. So when I try to format it, you see this error is coming. Also, when we try to check the properties, also used space is 0, free space is 0. That means the memory is not detecting properly. So let's find out a solution for this one. We can use command files to fix this error, to format this flash drive. So for that we are using these commands: diskpart, list disk, etc. I'll share this one on the description box. So let's open that command file. Just type on the search bar cmd and just run as administrator. In here, just type diskpart, that is one word, diskpart, diskpart, enter. Then you can see here, just type list space disk, list disk. Then it will show you the memory devices which is connected on that laptop. So the disk 0 is my hard drive, disk 1 is my SSD, which is already inside the laptop, and the third one is disk 2, that is actually the flash drive, which is this one, which is not detecting now. So in this case we'll just try to clean this flash drive first. So for that, just select that disk, type select space disk 2, enter. So you can see now the disk 2 is selected, and just type clean, clean. So once it has been completed, just type same as this one, just type create partition primary, create partition primary, then just click enter. So it's completed. Now just activate that partition. For that, enter active, type active, enter. So it's active now. Now just select that partition. For that, just type select, select partition, select space partition space 1, then enter. Now the partition is selected. Now we are going to format that partition. For that, just type format space fs equal sign fat 32, then enter. Now the process is started for formatting. Now you can see the 0% is now showing. So just be patient to complete this one. Once it has been completed 100%, your flash drive will be ready to use. Now just let's wait to complete this one, finish one. So it's 1% now. You can see your flash drive also here. Once it has been completed 100%, your flash drive icon will change. Now you can see here the icon is going to be changed once it has been completed 100%. So just let's wait to complete that 100%. So I'm gonna skip this video for now. I'll show you once has been completed around 90%. So you can see it's live. So please make sure when you're using for this purpose a good laptop with a good battery backup, or desktop with the connectivity of UPS as well. So once the power is going off, it may chance to affect that flash drive while working. So after that it's too hard to complete that process. So just the safer side. Now you can see it's completed 90% now. Yes, as you can see, now you can see the icon has been changed and that memory is showing also here. So just need to exit on the command file, type exit, that's it. Now your flash drive is ready to use. Now we can just copy some data to that one. Yep, it's working. Just go to the properties and you can see used space and free space also showing. Now the flash drive is ready to use. Thank you. I hope the video really helped for you. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and support our channel. Thank you.